As we enter the holiday season, I'd like to share with you some of what OpSAFE International and our partners have been doing to help children recover from trauma during 2024. In January, here in Japan, we were hit by an earthquake along the Japan Sea on New Year's Day and began 2024 preparing to once again deploy OpSAFE teams in Japan. Meanwhile, in Poland, a Christmas one-day follow-up event was held in Zabdi, and camps were held in Warsaw. Winter vacation in Ukraine meant camps were held in Irpin, Kiev, Vinnytsia, Dnipropetrovsk, and Kirovohrad and Rivne oblasts. In February, a camp was held in Ostrowiec, Poland, and in March, Easter follow-up events were held in Poland and Ukraine, and I went to the Global World Without Orphans conference in Chiang Mai, Thailand to network with leaders from around the world working with children at risk. In April, Leah and I went to introduce the OpSAFE program to students preparing for ministry at Tokyo Christian University and recruited staff to volunteer in responses to the Japan Sea earthquake. Over May and June, we held online training for these and other volunteers in preparation. In May, camp started up once again in Poltava and Ternopil oblasts in Ukraine. In June, Leah and I went to Trinity Church in Toyama to train the local church volunteers to host the OpSAFE camps for children affected by the January 1st earthquake. In Poland, online training started for the first time, which continued through the summer. In Ukraine, camps were held in Khmelnytskyi and Karpatia oblasts. In July, camps were held in Wrocław, Ostroda, and Warsaw in Poland, and in Sumska, Lviv, Ternopil, Vinnytsia, and Karpatia oblasts in Ukraine. And the Toyama camp was also held in July in Japan. In August, Leah and I visited family in the USA and shared with supporters while camps continued in Warsaw, Poland, and Khmelnytskyi, Chernihiv, and Poltava oblasts in Ukraine. In September, October, and November, camps were held for Ukrainian refugee children in Aftin and Kolscheid, Germany. And in October and November, the Philippines was hit by multiple destructive typhoons, and partners that we trained previously were able to respond with camps immediately in Albay and in Mindoro. As you can see, even though we are limited, our little penguin and his friends are not. Once partners are trained, they're able to continue helping children as long as is needed. This means that the number of children helped and the impact it has on their lives keeps growing even after the initial project is completed. This is where you can help with a Giving Tuesday gift. This year, we have been asked to start programs in Myanmar, Ethiopia, Armenia, and even North Carolina. The cost of starting a project in a new field is around $10,000, but the results are thousands of children who experience immediate relief from trauma symptoms and are able to recover their childhoods connected to their communities. National partners gain confidence in being able to equip local volunteers with an evidence-based, data-driven program, and local communities are educated about the effects of trauma and how to help children in their community. Please consider making a tax-free donation through OpSAFE International's 501c3 U.S. fiscal sponsor, GLINTS, at OpSAFE International Global Intercultural Services. Thank you very much, and wishing you all a Merry Christmas.